Hi, and welcome to the Learning Curve 898, a single collaborative platform for polishing all of your new age skills. For those who have already been to our channel, thank you so much for all of your love and support. You are already a part of a change now, a paradigm shift driven by you. The way we learn in our classroom, the way we understand and interpret our knowledge will not only determine our own individual future but also collectively affect the fate of this beautiful nation. So, on that note, let's dive in. Today, we are going to take you on a journey to learn English from the beginning. We will start with the origin of the language, moving on to the words and sentences, phrases and clauses, and give you everything that you need to master this beautiful language. And in this beautiful journey, our personal guide will be a very honorable man, a gentleman right from the Oxford itself, Professor Tripathi. So let's go and meet him. Right? Professor Tripathi, are you there? Hi, Professor, are you there? Hello? Professor Tripathi.
Thank you, Pankaj. Hello and welcome to the Learning Curve Learning Link. My name is Professor Tripathi, and today we're going to take you on a journey to learn English from the beginning. We'll start with the origin of the language, move on to words, sentences, phrases, and clauses, and give you everything you need to begin mastering this beautiful language. English has a long and fascinating history, with roots in the Germanic languages of the early medieval period. Over time, it has evolved and absorbed its influences from Latin and French and other languages, resulting in the diverse and dynamic language we know today. It is believed that language developed gradually over thousands of years through a process of trial and error. Early humans likely communicated through simple sounds and gestures, gradually developing a more complex system of vocalization. As human societies became more complex and structured, language evolved to reflect these changes. Words developed as people needed to communicate about specific concepts and ideas, and sentences emerged as a way to convey more complex thoughts and actions. Phrases and clauses were added to help provide additional information and context to these sentences. Different parts of sentences, such as nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs, evolved over time as people needed more precise ways to describe the world around them. These parts of speech help to add clarity and specificity to language, making it easier for people to communicate with one another. Overall, the development of language was a gradual and complex process that took place over thousands of years, reflecting the changing needs and experiences of human society. Part 2. From sounds to sentences and everything in between. Om Shanti! Om Shanti! Om Shanti Shanti. Every language in the world evolved through sounds which turn into words and sentences in time. In case of English, we study phonics to understand emphasizes, the relationship between sounds and letters. The goal of phonics instruction is to teach children from an early age how to decode words by sounding them out, rather than memorizing them as whole words. Here are some steps to practice phonics. 1. Learn the letter sounds. Start by learning the sounds that each letter makes. It's important to know the sounds of each individual letter before moving on to blending sounds together. 2. Blend sounds together. Once you know the sounds of each letter, practice blending those sounds together. For example, if you know the sounds of the letters C-A-A-N, you can blend them together to read the word cat. 3. Practice with simple words. Start by practicing with simple three-letter words that follow basic phonetic rules, such as cat, dog, and pig. Parts of a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. It is made up of different parts that work together to convey meaning. Here are the main parts of a sentence: the subject, the predicate, and the object. 1. Subject. The subject is the person, place, thing, or idea that the sentence is about. For example, the cat in the sentence "the cat is sleeping" is the subject. 2. predicate. The predicate is the part of the sentence that tells us something about the subject. It usually includes a verb. For example, is sleeping in the sentence "the cat is sleeping" is the predicate. 3. Object. The object is the person, place, thing, or idea that is affected by the action of the verb. For example, the couch in the sentence "the cat is sleeping on the couch" is the object here. Phrases and clauses. Phrases and clauses are groups of words that work together to form a sentence. Here are some differences between them. 1. A phrase is a group of words that does not contain both a subject and a verb, whereas a clause does. For example, "in the morning" is a phrase, "Well, I wake up in the morning" is a clause. 2. A phrase does not express a complete thought and cannot stand alone as a sentence, whereas a clause can. For example, "after he left the party" is a dependent clause, but it cannot stand alone as a sentence. 3. A phrase can function as a noun, verb, adverb, or adjective within a sentence, while a clause can function as a complete sentence, a noun, an adjective, or an adverb. And here are some examples of phrases and clauses. 1. Prepositional phrase, on the table. 2. Infinitive phrase, to swim. 3. Gerund phrase, eating ice cream. 4. Oppositive phrase, my brother, the doctor. 5. Noun clause, what he said. 6. Adjective clause, the book that I read. 7. Adverb clause, because it was raining. We hope you learn a lot about the origins of the language, English, basics of its sentence structure, phrases and clauses. For a complete step-by-step guide to master English and becoming a confident public speaker and an amazing creative writer, call or book your Democast today. You can always reach me at my phone number, which is 993-8198897 for any further questions. Thank you, bye-bye. See you soon.
Wow, that was an amazing presentation, Professor. Thank you so much for your time. So, whether you're a complete beginner or just looking up to brush up your English skills, this video is the perfect place to start. Join us as we explore more fascinating ways to learn the language English, master public speaking and creative writing, and acquire all the tools you need to communicate with confidence. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more great content like this. We upload twice in a week, so press the bell icon for quick updates. Thank you for watching.